Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will check, clean and show you about the following mini cars here. The first one is a cabin truck. How about this one? If you know its name, please write down. Now check the next one. Super motorbike, green color. This one is my favorite super motorbike. Racing car. How about this hero? You can see a sign of spider. This one is a hero Spider-Man. Mobil Truk, Indonesian language. How about this one, everybody? Iron Man, hero Iron Man. Strongest hero. 4 wheels super motorbike. Shoot super motorbike, pink color. How about this one? A cute car. Everybody, let's move to another track. We can see Spider-Man, red color. Police car, green color. Cement mixer truck. Bulldozer, mini bulldozer. Super motorbike. This one is a kind of racing super motorbike with number 6. Mini racing car. Ladder truck, mini ladder truck with red color. Red police car, red police car. Bulldozer. How about this one? Mini airplane. The last one, mini monster truck with cute colors. Everybody, if you like this video, please let me know by drop me thumb up, and especially don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So now thank you for watching. See you next time. Goodbye. Good luck.